The scroll saw is one of the most enjoyable tools you'll ever use in your shop. As you use the scroll saw, you'll find that it offers unlimited possibilities for making home and shop accessories, games, toys, and craft pieces. Whether you're cutting the simplest of shapes, like this duck, or the most intricate of decorative projects, such as this lacy-looking bookend, using the scroll saw is as easy as selecting a pattern, selecting a blade, tensioning the saw, and cutting. Let's talk about a few characteristics unique to the scroll saw which allow you to make these simple and intricate cuts. Throat capacity, cutting capacity, cutting stroke, constant tension. Pivot points on the... There are two types of blades: pin end blades and plain end blades. 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 Pin end blades generally are wider and thicker than plain end blades. Pin end blades are described according to their size and number of teeth. You might want to use a foot switch. This number 2 plain end blade, the number 5 plain end blade, the number 9 plain end blade, this number 12 R blade, the number 0 and number 2 spiral blades are specialized types of blades. Plain end blades are attached to this style of blade holder while it is off the saw. The on-off switch is located either in the front of the saw or on its rear side. Let's now make a puzzle. Now let's take a look at the basic components of the scroll saw. Arm assembly, table assembly, motor, blades, blade holders. Now that we have looked at the basic components of the scroll saw, roll up long sleeves and remove rings and jewelry. And tie back long hair. Never operate the scroll saw. Avoid awkward hand positions and always wear eye protection complying with ANSI Z87.1. Remove all objects from the saw table. Bolt the scroll saw to a stand or to your workbench. Use caution when cutting irregular shaped pieces. Use a V-block to control round pieces during cutting. Finally, refer to your operator's manual for all the specific facts and safety tips relating to your scroll saw. As you have seen, it's easy and fun to use the scroll saw in wood, plastics, or other materials. Scroll saws can easily be used for anything from cutting simple and quick projects to more complicated and intricate work. The possibilities of scroll saw use are limited only by your imagination. We hope this has helped you to get started with the wonderful scroll saw. It's a fantastic tool. Happy cutting!